Piper. No. Good girl. Let's go. No. 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 Good girl. Good. Good. Here. So the reason I fed her there was she loosened up and started to walk on her own. So you can see she's stiff again. Piper, look. Yes. Good. Yes. Piper, let's start working. Good. Yes. So I'm having her get up to reach the food. Okay, let's go. Piper. So she's really focused. Piper. So I'm going to come in. Good. I just want motion. I don't want her this stiff. Nope. It's good. Good. Like even the small motion in the head. She's looking around. She's okay. That's a good girl. Let's go. Good job. She doesn't want to turn her back on the other dog, but she's starting to decompress. Good girl. Good choices. So this is more loose body language. Her tail is down, her ears are back. She's open mouth panting. She's still looking, but she's not on high alert yet. Piper, look. Yes. Piper. Good. Nope. So there's no tension. And you can see she's almost more fearful. Yes, good choice. Good girl. And here's a willing approach. The tail's higher, but she's wagging loosely. Good girl. Yes, good choice. See how she lowered her head? She's offering submissive licks. Good girl, let's go. Yes, good choices. Piper, yes, good. Piper, come. Good girl. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good, yes. Piper? Good. Yes. Good, yes. Look. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. That's okay. As you can see, she's a lot more timid because this dog is more dominant. Good. Good choices, yes. Good choices. Yes. Yes. Piper.